Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you Columbus Containers, a wood and metal luxury shack in Quebec, Canada. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container chalet. Welcome back. The Columbus Containers is a luxury chalet built with recycled shipping containers. In particular, the entire construction process was well documented by the project owners from the first day of construction until the final delivery in a series of webcasts on social media networks in the year 2018 under the name Project Columbus. The house is built from 3 shipping containers placed parallel to each other to create a luxurious 960 plus square foot home. The containers sit on a concrete foundation which raises the house above the ground level and also serves as a basement to the house. The concrete space above the ground level is fitted with glass windows all round for adequate ventilation and daylighting of the basement spaces. Because of the elevated position of the house, a wooden staircase serves as a main entrance into the house, but it also helps to anchor the building onto the ground. The staircase connects to a large wraparound wooden deck stretching the entire frontage of the house, which also serves as an entrance porch to the building. The house layout is simple, spacious, and very efficient. 2 bedrooms and a generous bathroom are located inside one container. The remaining 2 containers have their inside walls removed to create a big open-plan living space. A single flight staircase in the middle of the living room through the middle container serves as a connection to the basement floor of the house. The front door ushers you into a luxurious, well-lit, open-plan living room. On your immediate right is a cozy lounge space, nicely furnished with an L-shaped sofa facing a big glass window. There is a custom coffee table and a floor mat to define the sitting space. In the middle of the living room is a big dining space with custom pendant lighting and furnished with a custom dining set that can comfortably seat 6 people. Next to the dining space, a full-height glass door from the indoor dining area opens onto a spacious outdoor deck, ideal for lounging or outdoor dining. On the far end of the living room is a compact modern kitchen space. A single-walled kitchen stretching the entire width of the 3 shipping containers. The kitchen is decked out with brand name appliances, modern countertops, custom designed kitchen cabinetry, and a fully tiled kitchen backsplash which makes the kitchen to stand out. Next to the kitchen is a big center island with a sink and custom pendant lighting. This is an ideal breakfast table that can sit 4 as you enjoy the view through the big glass window overlooking the amazing outdoors. The living room enjoys plenty of natural sunlight in a predominantly white painted interior, including white cabinetry in the kitchen. The colored seat cushions, selected pieces of artwork, custom furniture pieces, and living potted plants set a welcoming tone in the living room. Internal doors with custom-made wooden trim, exposed timber beams under the ceiling, wooden railings, and wooden space dividers add some warmth and exciting contrast to the living space. A big recycled door of the kitchen leads to a generous bathroom space fitted with a custom butcher block vanity top with lots of storage, towel holders, and a big mirror to create a spacious bathroom. There is a toilet and a corner glass shower box with a rainfall shower head to make a complete bathroom. A spacious main bedroom occupies the front end of the shipping container next to the entrance. The spacious bedroom has an ample amount of cushions lining the cozy bed, illuminated by natural light with a big glass window that offers breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. Even though the bedroom is small, it feels welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors, the white painted walls, and the big glass window which fills the space awash with natural light, creating that feel of openness and spaciousness. There is a second bedroom opposite the bathroom with a comfortable queen-size bed, bedside lamps, and a big window for adequate natural lighting and ventilation. In the basement, there are additional bedroom spaces for additional sleeping space and a private living area for entertainment. The basement space is fitted with high-level glass windows for natural lighting and ventilation. To celebrate the industrial vibe of the building blocks of this amazing house, the container walls and the exposed ceilings are visible throughout the bedroom's container module, both from the living room side and inside the bedrooms themselves. In sharp contrast, the walls and the ceiling of the living space are lined with plasterboard and are painted white to create clean modern lines where none of the corrugated container walls can be visible. The interior spaces are painted white to create a feeling of space and grandeur that is not accustomed to shipping container spaces. The entire elevation of the living space facing the deck is fitted with 3 large glazed openings at the lounge space, the dining space, and the kitchen spaces, with a big floor-to-ceiling glass door from the dining, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The wooden deck wraps around the house, stretching the entire frontage of the living space. It is furnished with outdoor furniture to enjoy warm evenings for an amazing outdoor living experience. From outside, there is no single hint this is a shipping container house. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are covered with lap siding throughout the exterior to blend the design into its forested landscape. The building follows the natural contours of the forested site by placing the building on a higher ground from the access. Buried in the heart of the Laurentian forest, this cottage is ideal to relax in a group or with a family. It will enchant you with its huge windows that let in the sun at all times of the day, its spirit of peace and silence. You have access to a fire pit, a barbecue, and there's enough private parking for up to 5 cars. This property is listed on Airbnb starting at $50 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. On our part, the living room is our amazing space of this shipping container project. Which of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at sheltermode on all social media pages.